They're gonna kill me! Hi fellas, how are you today? Are you okay? I really hope so. Um, 4 weeks ago I have made a video with the Python making the reverse shell undetectable with the antivirus and the firewall. In my case, we have tested with the Carpe Sky Plus and it was undetectable. So that's the video. I did make it 4 weeks ago. That if you don't want to watch the video, that's no problem because the code it's over here. But on the video, I'm typing every single code with you. So what we're gonna do now? We're gonna improve our code, of course, and we are making it with, we are changing it with for the base 64. Base 64, it's the way to convert the code in the binary using the ASCII characters, and we are going to make a simple code. Let's create one. I'm gonna call it base64.py. Then we gotta import base64. So the name you must use it, like in my case, base64 underscore underline underscore, and we need to paste the code inside here, and after that we need to encode it to convert it to the binary using the base64 b64 encode encode, calling the function, and decode it, and we print the encode. Now we copy and paste here, execute. There is the base64 in binary mode using the ASCII characters. I have copied it already. Now we are going to using it to run on the run only, the random access memory without the file. Okay, that's awesome, man. You can run it just in the terminal with a shell. Let's create test just to type the code. We are using the Python. Let's call it and import the base64, execute base64 b64 decode, b64 decode, and we are going to decode the binary here. We paste the binary inside. Okay, we're gonna copy all the string. As you can see, I'm using the VirtualBox, the Kali Linux, and my local IP is here, and we are attacking the 1000 port. So we paste here and press enter. Nothing happening. So using the Kali, let's use the netcat, the port 1000, and there is it. We are inside. Exit. Cool, nice. But what happened if I cut off the shell? The door has been closed. So what we're gonna do to keep going with the reverse shell? That is very simple. Open the terminal to you take a look. I'm using the Python 3.13, so we have the Python W inside this version. So what we're gonna do is copy it, paste it here. So we need to use the W after the Python. So with that code, we now need the shell. It will run in the background. So you press enter. You can see the terminal is closed, but if we try to access, we are inside. And doesn't matter if I close the shell, it keeps going. That's awesome. And if we open the task manager, there is the Python running in the background. And what if we reboot the computer? We're gonna close the reverse shell, of course. So what we can do to don't get this, let's break it. We have no longer access anymore. Then we're gonna copy it. I'm opening the shell startup. It's the folder where when you start the Windows, everything inside this folder will run with the computer. So we create simple .bat. Let's call it a.bat. We open it on the edit and we paste the code here, but the W, and we start with the echo off and start. There's it. Let's save and close, and let's force to run the program, but it will run automatically with the startup. So we just run it. Nothing appear because we are using the Python W, and here we are inside. There is it, man. I hope you have enjoyed. Don't forget to thumbs up and subscribe. And furthermore, it's just for knowledge. Okay, that's all for now.